Good morning, students. I am Priyanka and I am going to teach you Meeting Suzanne. It's a story. Chapter 1 from Gulmohar book. Meeting Suzanne is the story which is written by Sir Michael Morpurgo. So, here you can see some characters also. I have written some characters of this story. Yannick. This is the story about 10 years old boy Yannick, who is sent from Paris to his uncle's restaurant and in the south of France. As his mother was recovering from a treatment, Yannick has to stay with Uncle Bruno, Aunt Mathilde and cousin Amandine. So these are the characters. Now let's start the story. So this is the story I have already explained you that this is the story about a young boy Yannick. A story starts with the conversation with Amandine and Yannick in her father's restaurant. In the first paragraph, Amandine instructed Yannick that do everything properly because their best customer was coming to dine with some friends. She is telling, you can see, in the inn, his cousin Amandine mentioned to Yannick, she instructed or mentioned to Yannick about a famous man who was going to visit the inn. Inn is a small hotel or restaurant and had to be treated as well. Yannick knows only that the client to be entertained that evening, but he does not know the identity of the person. So, as usual, he was happy. The man was pleased with the man who, the famous guest who came, famous man ate one of his crème brûlée, that is a sweet dessert. After the man and his guest left, they began to clear the table. So that time he didn't know the reality or identity, so he pulled the paper table cloth off and scratched it and threw it into the fire. So Amandine, that time when he threw into the fire and the tablecloth used for the clients without realizing that it had a sketch from the customer, a famous artist who drew on the tablecloth as a tip. If he liked the food, Amandine shouted at the Yannick for throwing the tablecloth into the fire. Meanwhile, Uncle Bruno came to see what happened. So, that time Amandine annoyed and said to Yannick, instead of asking question, go and do something. And when Uncle Bruno came, he wanted to know what happened, why she was shouting, why she shout. Okay, now here you can see he told Amandine that Yannick did not know he was wrong in tossing the tablecloth into the fire. She had not told him about the artist's way of sketching on the tablecloth to show his approval of their service. Amandine accepted her mistake and apologized to Yannick. She was crying. Amandine was crying and she was so upset after that. But Yannick wanted to make amends for upsetting his cousin's Amandine. He wanted to make the things right. Okay, so he decided to meet the famous painter whose sketched tablecloth he had thrown into the fire. He wanted to get a new painting from him and gift it to Amandine. The next morning, he traveled through the village and thick forest and finally met the old man who had came to the inn. He explained the purpose of his visit. The old man was readily agreed to his request and painting sailing boats for Yannick and signed it as Picasso. Yannick requested him to paint a picture. So he had painted a sailing boat and signed it as Picasso. So why he has signed? It shows that the famous painter called Cézanne was also inspired the world famous painter Picasso and added there, "You may go now." This came as a surprise to Yannick, as he had all the while believed that he was Mr. Cézanne, the famous painter. And at last, Yannick took the painting and happily returned to his uncle's restaurant. So this is the story about a young boy Yannick, who loved her cousin Amandine, and he wanted to make the things right again and made her happy. Okay, children, bye bye.